the tomatoes, the labanos, and that is the second washing of the broth for the second washing of the rice. And that's the perfect broth for any sinigang or tamarind stew. But since we don't have tamarind stew, as I have mentioned, my sister suggested lemon. Because here in the USA or in Canada and North America, we hardly can find a green tamarind that my mom always delightfully used, and we always love them. Look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? The second washing, the washings of the rice washings in the broth in the sinigang is just perfectly delicious and beautiful. And then we'll throw in next all the ingredients, the veggies that you have available wherever you are. And we happen to have to see the Asian talong, the labanos, turnips in the Tagalog language. And my sister is dropping them all one by one.
Put the tomatoes first.
And then the tomatoes as well.
Tomatoes first, so they will really squeeze out
That's my sister's
the vitamins,
voice.
the vitamin C or the juice, the succulent tomatoes.
Yes. Oh, look how beautiful and nutritious they are. We thank God for giving us all the beautiful, delightful food. And then my sister is adding some more tomatoes so that when it boils, the good taste of the tomatoes really spread out in the broth. And then, as I have shown you, we have our different veggies, the talong or Asian eggplant, and we have the green beans, and we have the labanos or the turnips. And then next, my sister is going to pick her favorite pork. She's going to put it in this pan, and then she's gonna show you the different veggies. We are using the same veggies. That's why we have twin sinigang, twin tamarind stew.
Sigang.
Yeah. Now, this is the pork, and we have the same veggies. We have green beans, whatever you have in your kitchen. You are the chef in your kitchen. Because mom has really perfect ingredients before, but now here in the USA and Canada, that I'm vacationing with my younger sister, we only just see some Asian veggies. We have eggplant and the labanos, turnips, which is really good. I'm so very happy to see them. Now my sister is putting in the cube pork. We're going to have this in another tamarind stew, which is lemon stew, shall we say, because we didn't see any green tamarind. Because
But that's perfect. The lemon is perfect.
Oh, yeah.
As well.
The lemon is just perfect vitamin C as well.
It's two hiding.
Yeah, there are two pieces hiding there. This is going to be super delicious with jasmine aromatic rice. I think there's another one hiding over there.
Oh, yeah,
Want to
join the club. Join the club.
Now,
Of
we
course.
add the second washing of the rice to make the delightful broth of the sinigang. This is really good. Lemon stew, because we're using lemon instead of tamarind. And then we're gonna add more of the tomatoes to make it really, really taste good. And then we're gonna add later on, we are going to show you when we taste it, the eggplant. This is how the Asian eggplant looks like, or Philippine eggplants. We see them when we were growing up in the Philippines. And then this is a different kind of eggplant. And then this is the labanos. And now my sister is adding more broth to make it really taste good. Yum. And you see, mushrooms, this is optional. Whatever vegetable is available around your area.
But
This
you don't
is
really
really
put-
good.
Originally, you don't really put mushroom in sinigang. But it's my sister's favorite. That's why she wants to put mushroom.
Yes. And also, I want to add another of the ingredients that Mom always put in the sinigang, which is the banana blossoms, but we were not able to see them when we had our grocery yesterday. So, mushrooms fit the bill, shall we say. And we're gonna add the veggies later on.
Later on, yeah, we just need the tomatoes so they will really be.
Tastes good.
With the juice.
And the broth is going to be really perfect because it is the second washing of the rice that we learned from Mom. And so all the veggies we will add when the pork and the milkfish are ready for us to be enjoyed. Happy cooking! Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. See you in the next video. Enjoy! And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, our mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, in this gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay, Nene, Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSc, MSc, speaking to you all about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author of 22 books. I Am God is my 22nd. You'll find all of them, including this beautiful cookbook of my beloved mom, beautiful mom. Amazon, Xlibris, Barnes & Nobles, and all bookstores near you. And my sister just washed a green chili that we are going to add in also in our pork sinigang, and also bangus, milkfish sinigang, or stew. Yum! Happy cooking! Enjoy!